To say one day, it lasted about 16 hours. Because
Okay, so interesting facts about Estonia. The landmass is about 45,000 miles, and population is about 1.3 million, and the official language is Estonian. So we are at Freedom Square right now, and this is just another large open area. There's a lot of events that take place here all the time. Now, more facts about Estonia. 70% of the population is atheist, and here is the famous Freedom Tower, and it's made of glass. Kind of looks very glassy. Now, apparently, this thing cost 8 million euros to build, and it was so expensive to build because they used the most expensive glass, the best glass, but however that glass could not withstand the winter here, meaning that all the glass cracked here, so they have to constantly repair it, and it costs a ton of money to repair it. This glass can also withstand a nuclear bomb, but I guess it can't withstand the weather here. Rule of thumb, don't build statues and monuments out of glass. Build them out of stone or brick. That's what people have done in the years, like back in the day. Huh, that's a beautiful church. Looks like there's a funeral going on because I see like a hearse over there. Wow, check out the cracks in the glass.
no, but like the fun fact about the Estonian flag is that you can actually see this view during the winter time. Like for example. We have a lot to talk about.
Yeah, but the fact that you kind of survived and you still like stayed Estonian and didn't give in, so it's really good.
Yeah, like we have been, like there have been quite a few instances, especially by the Russian Empire and during the Soviet Union, where we have been tried to be like Russified.
Yeah.
As in like the main language here would be Russian.
Yeah.
But like Estonian has always been kept like a official language throughout history, or not like an official language, but as a language, like a spoken language, exactly, by the people. And since the Estonians here at the time, let's stay here.
Check out this church. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, here's the group. Ah. Yeah, I guess this tour I'm on is a church tour because that's all we're seeing, more and more churches. But this is a really old church, it's like 1700s. Dang, check out this old style building here. Those red rooftops. This area over here is where the hipsters are going, so that's where we're gonna go later. I mean, I love this tour. I'm learning a lot about the city. I just love some of these views too. Look at all that snow down there. And I'm looking at this water. That looks like it's frozen. It probably is frozen if that snow down there. And today's much warmer than yesterday for sure. Yeah, so now we just finished this tour. I met a friend in the hostel. How did we meet earlier this morning?
I lost my phone.
Yeah, you lost your phone and you're like, yo, call my phone, and then she ended up finding her phone.
Yeah,
so,
I was freaking out.
Yeah, he's freaking out hella early in the morning. So now we are we're done with the tour, and this place over here is like
the hipster part.
Yeah, the hipster area. This was like a factory back in the day, and you know what hipsters do. They'll take a factory and turn it into a grand ballroom, you know?
Really, I wonder.
You think this is it? Maybe. It's like kind of like corporate, right? What about? I mean, it is pretty new though.
Yeah. This is a
Need some locks.
If you want looks.
Yeah, you come down here and get them. Hey, you need some stuff for the house? I got some handbags over there. Yeah. What about some jewelry, some bling.
Homemade soap, I think.
Some homemade soap. Oh, they got it all. Then the food's down there. I guess there's no more food up here. What's over there? It looks like some food over there. I see people sitting down at tables. Oh, that's a restaurant.
Yeah.
Dang, check out this sink. Like, the water comes out of here, and then there's a dryer here. Like, check that out. Isn't that super cool? Alright, so right now I am having another falafel. You guys know I'm a falafel freak. Every country I go to, I gotta find a falafel. And we're getting one from this place here. Can't wait to try it out. Can't wait to see what this one's like. Alright, first falafel I've had in some time. Oh yeah, go with the beer.
To have your beer.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat this, right? Yes. Let's make this disappear. Yo, check this out. I got an Iranian passport right here.
Persian.
A Persian passport right here. It's opposite. It's like the other side.
Yeah. We write the opposite side.
Yeah. I know. I'm just explaining it to my viewers.
Yeah, it's like Arabic people. So they write from this side to this side, and their writing system is the same. But Arabic people, they don't have 4 sounds. They cannot say p, ch, j, g.
We don't have this in the US on our cigarettes, but we really should. I think this is the hipster area over here for some reason. I see graffiti and vintage clothing, and look at this tower.
Yeah, there used to be, I think, some kind of factory thingy.
Oh yeah, this looks like a smokestack from a factory for sure.
But they made it restaurant.
Oh, there's a restaurant up there?
I think inside.
Or I think that's that other tower. Yeah, I don't think it's this one, is it? It could be.
It was writing restaurant there.
Oh, a restaurant? No windows though. Alright, we found the water here. And this is...
Water.
It's definitely water. We're trying to figure out if that's our old boat or not. It looks like an old boat, but it's not moving. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh yeah, this is a helicopter pad. What a place to put a helicopter pad. Right over the water.
So.
Oh yeah, it's super restricted. I mean, it's a helicopter pad. Look at this. I guess the boat's over there. That's how you get to Helsinki.
Oh, and look at the snow.
Look at all that snow. Can we get down there? We should go down there and have a snowball fight. I'll hit you in the face with some snow.
I don't have gloves. I will die.
I definitely, look at this. I got gloves. I knew these would come in handy at some point in this trip, and you bet they did.
Miserable listener. Didn't know.
You didn't bring gloves. You want one glove? You want a glove to hold the beer? Because it is freaking cold. Like.
Yeah, they're getting purple.
Yeah, my little fingers are getting cold. Look at this. What is that? A grocery store or a spa? That's a spa? Kukeskos. Hours and hours later, it's time to check out another falafel somewhere over here. And I noticed this spot, they got, cigarettes, and they also got rolling papers. And look at this, what do you call this again? What's this?
It's baklava.
Baklava.
It's Turkey, one of the very famous Turkish
dish.
It's not, it's
like
like
sweets.
It's
a dessert. It's very sweet. Very sweet.
But
And then
that's how you make it. But homemade ones are less sweet.
back at the hostel now, and it's about time to get ready to check out what's going on tonight. So let's get ready to go. Make sure I grab my gloves too, for sure. Gloves are very important around here. They definitely come in handy. Let go. So tell me about this, what you're doing with Hostel World. So not Hostel World, but
Couchsurfing.
tell me about what you're doing with Couchsurfing. So if you guys have never heard of Couchsurfing, it's this site where you can like crash on someone's couch or an extra room. And
Stay for free.
yeah, you can stay for free at someone's house, and then you know, that's kind of how it works. It's kind of like Airbnb, but it's free.
Yeah, and it's free, and you get to know the locals, so they will show you around and tell you where to go and where to get the best food and the cheapest place, or like a lot of things about their life actually. But there is another in their application. There is another thingy that is called Hangout.
Yeah,
So,
even better. You don't have to crash at their house, but you can go hang out with
because
them.
it's risky. You have to risk it to go and crash at someone's house. So this hangout thing is like, okay, you're staying in a hostel, but you want to hang out with people because you're a solo traveler. So you put
Like me, like you.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you put something that, okay, I want to go and grab some beers, or I want to discover this castle. Who wants to come with me? And a lot of people, they send you some requests like, I want to join, I want to join. So sometimes in some cities you end up with 12, 13 people.
Oh wow, so you end up with like an entourage or something.
Yeah, with different nationalities. So you get to know people from different nationalities, and they're travelers and they're super fun. So it's awesome. I really loved it, and you will never get depressed. And you have benefits of traveling solo, and you have benefits of meeting new people. So
Oh, that's like
Win-win.
that's all of the above. That is all of the above. I'm gonna have to check that out for sure.
so
Like
we're
now.
going into-
Oh, we're going here?
I know. No.
I know, I'm just acting.
Yeah, sure. We're going.
Oh, this is the one.
Um,
It's not that cold right now. What happened? I guess there's no wind. We're in the middle of this area.
yeah.
It feels
I
good
don't
right now. I can
care.
almost take my jacket off.
No.
I can almost take my pants off.
Don't take that much risk. I think if we go to a wider area, then it will be really windy.
Yeah, like right here by this light. Like it's probably gonna be insanely windy. Wow, look at those Pringles. $2.90. Those Lays are not that bad. 121 euro. Sneakers, 80 cents. So that's what, roughly $1.